Hey Bonner Bears, welcome back to our story, Three Pigs and a Wolf. Today as we read, I want you to read along with me. I will read and then I want you to read. And afterwards we are going to make a graph. And you're going to tell me which three houses, which one is your favorite. And then as you're doing it, I want you to look at the data. Look at what people are voting on and why do you think they picked that house. All right, so let's read Three Pigs and a Wolf. All right, read the title with me. Three Pigs and a Wolf. We are three little pigs. Your turn. We are three little pigs. I am a big, bad wolf. Your turn. I am a big, bad wolf. I have a house made of straw. Can you use your pig voice and do that? I have a house made of straw. I have a house made of sticks. Go ahead. I have a house made of sticks. I have a house made of bricks. Your turn. I have a house made of bricks. Let me in. No. Your turn. Let me in. No. How does the first pig feel? Look at the pig's face. How do you think he's feeling right now? How would you feel if this was you? I think I would be pretty scared. Look how scared he looks as he's running away. Help me blow that house down. Let me in. Let me in. No, no. Right, your turn in your big bad wolf voice. Let's do it. Let me in. Let me in. No, no. The wolf says, let me in 2 times. Let me in. Let me in. And for the second house made of sticks. And the 2 little pigs both say, no, no. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. No, no, no. Your turn. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. No, no, no. How many times does the wolf say, let me in? That's right, he says it 3 times. Because they're in the house, the 3rd house. How many times do the pig say no? 1, 2, 3. Each pig says no, no, no. There are no words here, but we can tell. What is he doing? He's blowing. Up, up, up. Your turn. Up, up, up. Down, down, down. Your turn. Down, down, down. Ah, yay! Ow! Your turn. Yay! Ow! Can you find the numbers 1, 2, and 3? Do you see them anywhere on here? look at the chimney. Look at the smoke that's coming from the chimney. There's 3, 1, 2. Wow, the numbers are coming from the chimney. That was our story, 3 pigs and the wolf. So today you are going to make a graph. Which house is your favorite? And you're going to use the paint fill to fill in the frame. So I'm going to send this to you. And whichever house is your favorite, is it the straw, is it the sticks, or is it the bricks? I'm going to put my cursor on my favorite and then use this fill color, and I'm going to fill in. I thought I liked the house made out of bricks. That was my favorite. What is your favorite and why? Afterwards, why don't you come back and look at the data? Look at everyone else's vote and see what they think. Maybe you can even ask somebody in your house which house is their favorite. All right, I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great night. Bye.